mean, in general, machining's hard. So you're cutting metal or some other difficult material to extremely precise tolerances. It's not an easy task. So there are endless number of little techniques to know to be able to achieve machining under a wide variety of conditions. Every part's different that you're making, different issues. It might kick up a burr here, there might be a concentricity issue on a hole, surface finish might be a problem, tool life might be a problem. So there's many factors that go into making a productive machine tool operate well. That takes skill and learning. It's just like a doctor has to learn. Human body's complex, right? Now doctors are all specializing. One guy only handles urinary tract, another guy only handles your feet, another guy your eye. You know, they're all specialists in that area. In machining, the whole organism is there, right? So it takes many years to get good. So skilled labor, the more your skills, the better your pay, the more opportunity you have. You can get a job all over the world, lots of different industries, and it's good, clean work. You're not exposed to hazardous waste stuff and weird things like that. Now, being a precision machinist is a really neat job, I think. Can production be monotonous? Yeah, but if you really focus on the science of it and getting good at it, it can be an amazing challenge. That generally kind of explains why talent is necessary, and it's very specific to the industry, so you can't really pick it up in school. They do have technical schools now somewhat. In Europe, they have a lot more of that, and they have a much better system in Europe for that, especially in Switzerland and Germany. But in America, we're starting to get some tech schools that give you the basic knowledge, and they kind of weed out the people who want to do it and the ones who don't. But from there, to learn, you have to spend years on the job solving real world problems and watching people who know solve problems, so you learn from them. Our system in particular, because we're focused on the work holding issue, we reduce the skill level because we reduce the amount of problems to deal with. One problem you could have when you're picking up on a part is damaging the part. With our system, you can control the checking force with the micrograd dial, which gives you a quantitative measurement of closure of the collet. That's not available on the machines. The machines, they have a thread adjustment for closure, but there's no graduations on it. It's kind of done by feel. The reason because traditional collets are so flexible that you can't just close it 1/1000ths and assume you're going to get that, because it's going to go like this. So if you want to grip a little bit harder, you got to close it 3 or 4/1000ths to get the same amount of grip as you would with our system, just 1/1000. With our system, it's very predetermined. Also, the machine mechanism on the machine, the closer's back here, the parts out here. As the machine warms up, things stretch and grow and thermal expansion. Your settings can change. With our system, it's entirely inside the cartridge, so it cancels out thermal growth. So it's almost virtually unchanging. You can set it up when it's cold in the morning. So it takes away the skill to recognize what is my setting, I'm having troubles with the part slipping, whatever, as we run the part. It takes somebody with skills to decide, okay, what is the problem here? Is it my closer? Is it the turn tool, diameter going undersized, whatever? With our system, you know the system's solid, so you don't have to worry about playing with the collet mechanism or any tricks for setting the collet mechanism. It's very regulated. They may know what they want. I want it 1/1000ths tighter. They can just dial it, do it, and they know it's done. They don't have to guess and feel and see if it was enough. Yeah, it doesn't take anything away from them. It's like having a gas gauge on your car. You can kind of know when you're going to run out of gas because you remember when you put gas in it, but it sure is nice to have a needle that tells you. You know, you still have the power to get gas whenever you want. It doesn't take away anything. And the neat thing is, the day crew sets it the same as the night crew. You tell the day crew sets it, I use a micrograd setting of 3.5. The night crew, same thing, 3.5. I set it the same as the day. So the day, the night, they set it the same. It's consistent. So that's one problem, that we reduce some of the skill level required. Mm-hmm. Because skills, for a machinist, even though that may seem like in isolation not a huge problem, remember, a machinist's got to deal with 100 different factors every day to get the parts to work. So eliminating that one is nice.
Oh, yeah.